Hello, you guys. My name is Nyaleki. Today I'll be explaining my cultural artifact speech and why I'm a part of the dental culture. Now, first, I want to ask you guys, have you ever had a bad experience at the dentist? I know some of you have, and I have too, but I also want to ask you guys, did that experience change your ways? Because if it did, you are now a part of the dental culture. So, I want to discuss first on why I'm a part of the dental culture in the first place. So, when I was younger, you know, like my teeth are good now, but back then when I was a child, you get really into sweets, and my habit was really bad. So, when my mom took me to the dentist, I believe at fourth grade, that's when my whole life turned upside down with my teeth. So, I had bad experiences. I went through a lot of procedures on my teeth. I lost a tooth. I still have that tooth. It's in a Ziploc bag. I'm currently not home right now, but I really doubt that you guys will want to see that in the first place. So, yeah, I lost a tooth in the back of my teeth, in the back of my mouth, and I look at that tooth every now and then just to not, reminisce, because who wants to reminisce that? But it kind of teaches me and encourages me to take care of my teeth. And I also not only learned the bad things in the dentist, but I also learned the positive things as well. So, it encourages me to, tell people and give reasons on why it's important to take care of their teeth in the first place. Now, I want to discuss why it is important to me. So, I had braces for over 8 years. So, you're not supposed to have braces on that long. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't think that that's okay. Some braces are supposed to be on for a long time, but it's not supposed to be on for 8 years. So, the fact that I had them on that long is really bad. I went through a lot of surgical procedures, like I said, and to the point where I was in constant pain all the time, and it really did change my life, you guys. Like, it really did. I learned so much throughout my whole experience, and I always wanted to be an impact on people, but I just didn't know where to start. So I felt like encouraging people to take care of their teeth was an impact, because I actually did see a change in not only my mom, my dad, but also my brother and my sisters who are younger than me. So it's always good to leave an impact on people when it comes to dental care, because it is important and your teeth are extremely important. You show them all the time. So I really encourage people to take care of their teeth. And also, it is one of my long-term goals to work in the dental field. So that's why it's important to me, because I want to work. I want to be a dental anesthesiologist. I'm saying it slow because when I say it fast, people don't understand. But I do want to be in the dental field. So it really is important for me to, teach you guys the importance of taking care of your teeth, because that's where I'm going to start at in my work life. So my cultural artifact is tooth. So dealing with my teeth was like I said, it was a long process. I've gone through a lot of bad experiences, you guys. I really don't want to go into detail, but it was really bad. My doctors had told me that, your teeth symbolizes renewed strength and self-esteem. I remember him telling me that. It was one of my doctors, and he explained to me that, having good teeth care really boosts your self-esteem, and it really encourages you to, take care of your teeth, because a lot of people lose focus on their teeth because they just feel like, their teeth is like, they don't really take care of their teeth. So he really encouraged me to know that, having good teeth and good teeth care is going to boost my self-esteem, boost my self-confidence. And he also said that, I remember him saying that my teeth, I know tooth is my cultural artifact, but my teeth shows my growth. So dealing throughout all those experiences back when I was younger, I, was always feeling low as a child, because I would always get made fun of by kids at school. And, I would always go to the dentist and hear bad news every single time I walked through that door. So Now when I go to the dentist, he can see a change in my behavior. Like my teeth are good, they're straight. It just feels so good to have my confidence back, and he's seen my growth. So, in conclusion, you guys, I've discussed why I'm a part of the dental culture, why it's important to me, and I explain my cultural artifact, which is tooth, and explain the symbolisms on how it is in my life, in my opinion. So I just want to encourage you guys to always take care of your teeth. Never, not once, stop brushing your teeth. Always floss after you eat. Just take really good care of your teeth, you guys, because it will make me feel so much better seeing everybody have improvements in their teeth. So, yes, this is my presentation on my tooth, and I just want to encourage you guys to take care of your teeth. And hope you guys enjoyed my presentation.